kayo. Bili po kayo. Ate, bili po kayo.
Wala akong
Siyam na magkakapatid. Madalas akong gumising ng maaga para mag-alaga. Hindi ko masabi kay mama at papa na pagod na ako. Pero totoo, mahirap maging estudyante at pangalawang magulang. Kaya sana sa ibang pamilya magplano muna.
Gusto ko pang mag-aral ng mabuti. Pero minsan, kailangan kong tumulong sa magbantay sa bunso. Kapag wala pong plano, mga batang nag-a-adjust. Sana noon pa, may nakausap silang health worker para alam nila kung gaano kabigat ang responsibilidad.
Mahal ko sila, pero minsan naisip ko, paano mas konti kami? Baka mas may pagkain, mas may space, mas may oras. Kaya sa mga magiging magulang, mag-family planning po. Hindi lang buhay nila ang naapektuhan, buhay ng mga bata rin.
Hold on, before we press play on your future, let's look at the facts. You have the right to informed choices under the RH law that choices starts with planning. Family planning isn't just about not having kids yet, it's about having them when you're ready.
The law ensures access to effective, modern, and medically safe options like pills, injectables, IUDs, and condoms.
Listen to the scientific evidence. These are the most common methods because they work. They give you control. Condoms, for example, are the only method that offers dual protection against pregnancy and STIs. The government provides this option for you to empower you.
Smart choice lead to healthy families, financial stabilities, and parents who can give their kids the best life, not just a life.